The relay driver with auto-electro switching using optocouplers is a sophisticated module designed to provide efficient, isolated control over high-power electrical circuits. It is particularly suited for applications that require high reliability, safety, and precise control over AC/DC loads. The module incorporates optocouplers to ensure electrical isolation between the control logic, low voltage, and the load, high voltage. When a control signal is applied to the optocoupler's LED, it illuminates and activates the internal phototransistor. This, in turn, triggers the connected relay, thereby completing the high-voltage circuit without direct electrical contact between the control and load circuits. A relay driver using optocouplers is an electronic circuit that utilizes optocouplers to drive relays. Optocouplers electrically isolate the control signal from the relay coil voltage, providing protection and noise immunity. This type of relay driver is commonly used in applications where electrical isolation is essential, such as industrial control systems, automation, and safety-critical circuits. It ensures reliable and safe operation of relays in various electronic projects and devices.